unborn sister's umbilical cord could potentially save his life. The precious stem cells will be collected during the birth by Netcells, the leading stem cell bank in South Africa. There are millions of stem cells in the umbilical cord and umbilical cord tissue of a baby at birth. To date, these precious cells have been discarded as medical waste after delivery. However, Netcells offers parents the opportunity to collect their baby stem cells at birth and store them cryogenically for the next 20 years. Collection takes between 5 to 10 minutes and poses absolutely no risk to either mother or child. After the baby has been safely delivered and removed from the umbilical cord, the obstetrician inserts a needle into the umbilical cord vein and draws the blood into a collection bag. This procedure is painless and does not interfere with the bonding between mother and baby. The blood is packed into a special temperature-controlled kit to ensure that the viability of the cells is not compromised. They are then couriered to our laboratory located in Midrand, Johannesburg. Upon receipt, the cord blood unit is individually barcoded to ensure traceability at all times. It is then processed through a highly sophisticated CPAX machine, and the stem cells are separated out from the rest of the blood. The cells are channeled through a closed system into a storage bag, encased in an aluminium cassette for further protection, and slowly frozen in a specialized controlled rate freezer to -196 degrees Celsius. They are then stored in medically registered cryogenic tanks in the vapor phase of liquid nitrogen. This will halt further biological processes and stop the natural aging of the cells. Netcells is the only stem cell storage company in South Africa which routinely performs flow cytometry testing on every cord blood unit to ensure there is a sufficient number of stem cells and that they are in fact viable for storage. Netcells issues a storage and result certificate informing parents of the number and viability of the cells stored. Should the cells ever be needed, they'll be transported in their frozen state anywhere in the world at no additional cost. The safety of your baby's stored cells is seen to with great care. Their storage location is secure, continually monitored and protected by alarms, cameras, and Limtech fingerprint access control. We have UPS on all our laboratory equipment and a large backup generator. And contrary to popular belief, storage of the cells is not dependent on electricity supply, as storage tanks run off liquid nitrogen. Therefore, there is no risk of the cells thawing during an interruption in electricity supply.